Who doesn't love watching videos on YouTube? Now imagine getting paid for it. You can make up to $269 per day just by watching videos on YouTube. And the best part is, it's incredibly easy and anyone can do it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money by watching YouTube videos. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn money by just watching videos on YouTube. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about this amazing opportunity, so keep watching. Also, check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. First, let me tell you how it works. There are companies out there that will pay you to watch YouTube videos on their behalf. They do this to gather information on the videos, like how many views it gets, what type of audience it attracts, and what keywords are associated with the video. This information helps them to improve their marketing strategies and make more money. Now, let's get to the good part: how to get started. There are several websites out there that offer this service, and I have tested them all to find the best one. The website is called Swagbucks, and it's completely free to join. Once you sign up for Swagbucks, you can start watching videos right away. You'll earn points for every video you watch, and you can redeem those points for cash or gift cards. It's that simple. But wait, there's more. Swagbucks also offers other ways to earn money, like taking surveys, playing games, and shopping online. The more you do, the more you'll earn. So, how much money can you make? It all depends on how much time you want to put into it. But, on average, you can make up to $274 per day just by watching videos. Imagine earning that much money just by doing something you already enjoy. So, there you have it, a simple and easy way to make money by watching YouTube videos. If you're looking for a way to make some extra cash or even a full-time income, Swagbucks is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more ways to make money online. Thanks for watching.